Welcome friends in the science class, and today our topic is chemical reactions of acids and bases. And we know that in the last videos I told you about the what are acids, what are bases, and how these react with indicators, litmus papers, how these can be detected, and how can we identify the acids and bases. So now in this unit we will study about the reaction of acid and bases with litmus paper and different type of reactions with different substances. Number one is the reaction with litmus paper, and acids are those which turn blue litmus to red and bases are those which turn red litmus to blue. And as the test indicating, in acid cases the blue strip of litmus is converting to pink and pink strip is converting to blue in case of the base. Now, effect of indicators on acids and bases. We know that indicators are chemical compounds and which have different color in different medium. Means in acids, these show a different color than in bases. So now we will discuss about some indicators or which are used to identify acids and bases. One is the litmus paper. It is a neutral solution which is purple in color. In acidic solution it turns red, but in basic solution it turns blue. It is also strip in the form of strips as well as in solution. Methyl orange. It is neutral solution. It is orange. In acid medium red. In basic medium yellow. Phenolphthalein gives pink color with the basic medium. And in acid medium no change in color. Now reactions of acids and bases with water. Acids, when dissolved in water, these produce H positive ions, H ions. Because H ions are very small in nature and charge density is high, so these cannot exist free in nature. So these combine with water molecule and form H3O plus, which is known as hydronium ion. So HCl with water gives Cl minus and H3O plus. In the same way, H2SO4 also gives H3O positive hydronium ion. Acids are those which dissolve in water and produce OH negative ions. So all are bases which produce OH negative ions. Example KOH and NaOH. We must know here that acidic behavior is due to formation of H positive ion, H3O positive ion, and basic character is due to OH negative ions. Now reactions of acid and bases with the metals. In number one, we will discuss about the reaction of acid with metals. Acids and bases both release hydrogen gas with metals. And there are few examples of acids and bases. Example, HCl with a hydrochloric acid, magnesium gives magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. With zinc, it gives zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. With sulfuric acid, it also releases hydrogen gas. But very less reactive metals like copper and gold, these do not release hydrogen gas. It is the different point. Reaction of bases with metals, different from acids. Now, here these are same to acids and both these also release hydrogen gas with metals. Example, with zinc and aluminium, these are giving their meta-aluminate salts. Now reaction of acids with metal carbonates and bicarbonates. Metal carbonates are having the carbonate ion CO3 minus 2 and bicarbonate ions are having HCO3 minus 1 ion. And acids with these metal carbonates or carbonates give carbon dioxide gas, salt and water. And these are the examples with hydrochloric acid, with sulfuric acid, these are producing carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide gas evolution appears in the form of effervescence, in the form of bubbles. कुछ bubbles बाहर निकलना शुरू हो जाते हैं. And in the same case, in the same condition, bases have no reaction with the carbonates and bicarbonate. The fire extinguisher work on the same function. Reactions of acid with metal oxides. We must know the nature of the oxides of metals and non-metals, and then we can study the nature of reactions of acid with metal oxide or non-metal oxide. Because metal oxide are basic in nature, so these will neutralize the acids when these react with them. So there is the reaction of acid plus base to give salt and water, and heat is produced. So sulfuric acid with magnesium oxide gives magnesium sulfate. With magnesium oxide it gives magnesium chloride. So these are the simply reactions of neutralization, because metal oxides are basic, so these will react with acid only, but note these will have no reaction with the bases. Reaction of bases with non-metal oxides. In opposition to the metal oxides, non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. So bases can react with this acidic substance, and that is non-metal oxides. Here also these non-metal oxides neutralize the base and form salt water, and a lot of heat is produced during the reaction. For example, sodium hydroxide with carbon dioxide. Sodium hydroxide is basic, carbon dioxide is the gas of non-metal carbon, and so these neutralize each other and form salt and water. Calcium hydroxide, lime water. Lime water, when carbon dioxide gas is passed through the solution, it neutralizes it and forms white colored calcium carbonate and H2O, and white turbidity appears in the solution. Neutralization. We know that acids are the substances which give H positive ion, and bases are the substances which give the OH negative ion. So acidic and basic characters are due to their opposite ions. When these mixed in equal amount, their positive and negative, OH negative and H positive negative ions neutralize each other and form neutral solution. This process is known as the neutralization. We can understand the reaction by taking example of HCl and NaOH. NaOH produces Na positive and OH negative ions. HCl produces NaCl negative and H positive ions. Now H plus and OH positive combine to form water, and Na plus and Cl minus form NaCl.